Meaning of drove.
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 Drove. The word drove can have multiple meanings and uses depending on the context it is used in. One possible definition of drove is a group of animals, such as cattle or sheep, that are herded or driven together. It can also refer to the act of operating a vehicle, such as he drove to work today. In both cases, the word drove implies movement or motion towards a specific destination. Overall, drove denotes the action of guiding or propelling something forward, whether it be living creatures or a mode of transportation.